Brian back here with a bone update. I apologize I wasn't around yesterday. Today we hit that $1.59. So right now we're at $1.54. We're up 6.88%, and we're going to take a look at this chart here and see where we stand here in a second. Okay, want to go over this real quick here and show you guys what we're facing next here, and if we've topped out or if we have some more to go. Okay, that $1.59, we talked about this fifth wave coming in. It came in, and that's what we were counting on. All right, so if you go back through the days on the daily chart here, things were getting a little frustrating back in this area, but today's green candle today shot us up from $1.43 to $1.60, 17 cents. Right now we are almost up 10 cents, up 6.86% as I make this video. Okay, we'll get right back to this chart. Bitcoin dominance on the daily, it's actually starting to regain this support area. Okay, what I'm looking for Bitcoin dominance, especially after it did this run up here, looking for a big ABC to come in here. Okay, now you'd think this would look like an ABC, but it's not. All right, that's not an ABC. That's just a fallback to support here, and then they'll push up and then a rollover. All right, so I'll be looking for something like this to happen. If we put a Fibonacci on this thing, which this Bitcoin dominance is extremely important. All right, if we put a fib on here, I would expect a roll back up to the 702, right up here, and then a rejection off there, and then come down. Okay, so now let's look and see where that would bring this down to. Put a top on that. Right back down to the support level, right at our breakout level. Okay, so that's when I'm expecting that Bitcoin dominance, an A, a B to that 702, and a C down here. We'll see if it plays out or not. All right. So far we've kind of been keeping a close track on this thing, and it's been kind of acting like we thought it would act. All right, the daily RSI is just starting up. All right, so obviously this thing is going to make a charge up, which is going to suck money out of the altcoins. All right, but hopefully we get that rollover. We got that weekly RSI. Look at that, just about reset down at the bottom. So we'll see what happens here. Either it means Bitcoin is about to go on a pretty decent run, okay, or the altcoins are just going to get bled out here, which quite honestly, I believe Bitcoin's about ready to do its thing here. Okay, I'm going to show you this here in a second. This is Bitcoin on the weekly. This thing just flipped bearish on the weekly here, 61 to 62. On the daily, at the daily, it is at a 19 and a 19.5. Just barely flipped bearish. All right, it keeps hitting this resistance. But what I want to show you, if we zoom in here, all right, we have the 12 hour still going up, 8 hour. The 8 hour is at the top and flipped bearish. The 4 hour, the 4 hours heading down is actually we have a green candle on the 4 hour. Now, if you look at that chart right there, you can probably see what I'm talking about already. What's going on here? The 1 hour just started up, I believe. Yeah. Okay. So what we had, if we open this up and look at this, minimize this chart a little bit since this is on the hourly. Okay, you can see we had the breakout, retest, and this should bounce from here. Okay, that's how a normal breakout would go. That's why they tell you do not buy big green candles. All right, if this thing for instance starts ripping out of here, say this is a coin, you don't want to buy it up here. Okay, just wait. It doesn't matter if that thing shoots way up here. It's gonna come back down for a retest of the breakout, and then it's really gonna start taking off. Okay, just wait. I know it feels like a FOMO kicks in. You think you're gonna miss out. Just hold on, and sometimes you do. Sometimes the thing takes off. There's nothing you can do. All right, but if you jump in and you end up, if this thing takes off up here and you end up buying up at this level, okay, and then the thing does come back for a retest, you're already in the hole. Okay, just from that point, you're already down 3% on your investment, okay? Wait for that retest to come in. Okay, that's where you want to buy. You want to buy here on the retest. Okay, then you get the bounce out of here. That's how all these coins work. Once in a while, you'll get one that will take off, and it won't give you a chance to buy it. It'll just go. But that's the way it works. Okay, if you miss them, you miss them. If if you grab it, if you get the breakout, wait for that to come back down and retest the breakout. All right. So the crypto bubbles for the day, real quick. Yeah, 2 green out there. 2 of the biggest ones I cover, Kaspa and Bone. There you go. Both of them up 6.8%. And let's go into Bone's chart here. I apologize if you hear some rain start, guys. I do these in my garage. I have a tin roof on my garage, so I'm going to get this done here real quick. Look at the volume down here. Look at that volume. That's what you want to see for a breakout. All right. We went up and touched that $1.59. That is our resistance area. Okay, so we have the daily. The daily is still heading up. It's still bullish. The 8 hour, the 12 hour has flipped over bearish. The 8 hour is actually spinning back up. You see that? See that turn up? The 4 hour. The 4 hours heading up, and the 1 hour is at the top. All right, what I am expecting to happen here, since we broke this resistance at $1.48, I would be expecting, just like I said, you get a big green candle, wait for the retest back here, and then the bounce. All right, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I apologize about the rain in the background. Nothing I can do about it. I'm sorry, and I'll talk to you soon.